Today we'll talk about how can you disable new videos on channel on your OK app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click on notifications on screen. Then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just go down here. So you keep going down. Then you come here to video. Then you come to new videos on channels. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.